I'm at Kainjing Gumfa. You can see behind me there are lots of hotels to stay, and there's a big mountain behind me. It's called Gangching Pu, and just a little bit left, and this is Kainjing Ri, the top. Langdang Lirum. So basically, it's a beautiful place to see three mountains at one time. Uh, and it's beautiful, amazing feelings. Uh, very much cold weather.